Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to another video with Everything Avon. We're actually continuing the Project Civic today. We are actually out at a U-Haul store because the apartment complex saw the vehicle, noticed it doesn't have an engine, and they want it gone. So that's what today's video is for. We're actually gonna have to pull it, get it out of the apartment complex. We got some stuff planned. It's probably gonna be the home base for the rest of the video. So that's pretty much what we're gonna be doing today. And of course, in order to pull the vehicle, we had to bring out the Eco Beast. It's actually gonna be the first time in a while we've actually pulled this bad boy. Definitely go check out the videos below to see what all I have done to this truck. It may not look exactly stock from the outside, but really where it's awesome is on the inside. So we're just waiting for my brother. He's on that side of the building doing the paperwork to get the tow dolly checked out. And I just wanted to take this opportunity to take some photos of the truck because in the daylight hours, in the shade, it really accentuates the flat black accents I have on it, on top of that sterling metallic gray from Ford, and it just looks amazing. So I wanted to do that while we're waiting. There we go, we got the tow dolly hooked up and we're ready to go. And there's my brother. Say what's up, bro.
Good morning.
Alright guys, so we made it back to the apartment complex and got the tow dolly ready, and there she is. There's the Civic. Honestly, I can't tell exactly how they could know it's no engine. Oh, I can see it. There's about 7 inches of gap right here, so kind of obvious. Well, it's all right. We got a place for it. We're gonna get ready and load it up, and we'll head out to that spot. So we actually decided to make a pit stop. First off, we're actually at the car wash. Our goal is to clean out the engine bay. As you can see right now, my brother's starting to spray some purple power in there. We want to kind of get the engine bay cleaned up before we take it to its final resting place, before we start assembling the engine later on once we get it back and all that good stuff. So yeah, seemed like a good opportunity. So we're gonna go ahead and get this cleaned off camera, and then next stop will be the final spot. All right guys, so we're here, and if you can't tell, we are at a storage location. Not gonna tell you exactly where, just so you guys don't come and take our stuff, but we are at a storage location, and this is gonna be the final resting place, or I should say the final resting place before we start building it up. As you can see behind me, 10 by 20 storage unit, and it is here where all the work will be performed. And he already got all the stuff brought in, like some of the engine components, just some stuff we can clean the vehicle with while we're in here. So we're gonna go ahead and back this guy off, get it backed up into here, and here's where we'll be for the next several months. Alright guys, so we got it in there. It was a bit of a task. You can't really tell, but this is like a bowl shaped. And of course the side where the storage is the steeper side. He did most of the pushing. I helped a little bit, but we got her in here. Next up, we're gonna go ahead and jack it up, get it on the jack stands, and take off the tires so that we'll have access to the suspension. Because in addition to the engine, he's working on the suspension. And here probably next weekend or maybe over the week, we'll actually be doing a removal of this existing suspension and then eventually installing a new set of coilovers. We got it up on all 4 jack stands. As you can see, there they are all the way around. We have this 5th one here just kind of as an extra safety net because he'll be working up underneath this more in the front. So just good to have as much safety as possible. But that's pretty much that. As you guys already know, the engine is out at Millworks. So that should be back in the next couple weeks or so. He has some stuff he's going to be doing off camera. What are you going to be doing off camera again?
I got to work on suspension. So I got coilovers. We have a front suspension rebuild kit. I have a power steering loop that's coming from DevSport. And then I'm going to be tucking the headlight harness. Not going to tuck the engine harness. No, kind of go from there. Alright guys, and just like that, we're going to be done for today. It's a real short video, but definitely wanted to update you guys on the relocation of the Civic. We're going to be working out of here probably for the next several videos. We're good to go. We're going to go and take this bumper home, try to wrap it or try to clean it up some sort. And yeah, I think that's it. Not too much done today, but it does seem like we are starting to get traction on this project here. Got the Civic in the storage, and now we just gotta wait for parts. So as always guys, stay tuned. There's gonna be plenty more videos to come with me and my brother. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications so you don't miss out. I'll see you on the next one.